In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Figma. Figma is an incredibly popular design tool, beloved for its versatility and user-friendly interface. And if you're looking to elevate your text design by incorporating bullet points, you're in the right place. Our goal today is to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to add bullet points to your text with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in, starting with our first task, selecting the text. Open up your Figma project and select the text layer where you want to add those bullet points. This can either be a text block you've already created, or you might be starting fresh with a new piece of text. Either way, once you have your text layer selected, you'll want to shift your focus over to the right-hand side of your screen, where you'll see the Properties panel. As we delve into the Properties panel, scroll down until you see the section labeled Text. This is where we'll uncover more in-depth settings for your text layer. Within this section, you might notice a small icon consisting of 3 dots, typically found at the bottom. This is your gateway to additional type settings, which is exactly where we need to be. So go ahead and click on that 3 dots icon. Now, a new panel should appear, revealing a variety of advanced text settings. Among these options, you're going to keep an eye out for something labeled as List Style. It's possible that this drop-down menu is set to No List by default. No worries though, this is where we make the magic happen. Click on this drop-down menu, and you should see an option for Bulleted List. Go ahead and select Bulleted List. Once you've chosen Bulleted List, you'll notice that your first line of text now has a bullet point in front of it. Success! You've just added a bullet point to your text in Figma. But what if you need more than one bullet point? This is where things become even easier. Simply position your cursor at the end of an existing line and press the Enter key on your keyboard. As you do this, a new line with a bullet point will automatically appear below the one you've just worked on. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've mastered the art of adding bullet points to your text in Figma. Remember, whether you're organizing information, creating lists, or just wanting to stylize your text, bullet points are a fantastic tool to have at your disposal. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be incorporating bullet points into your designs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.